Alright, we're back again, following. Okay, can we get into Battle Cats? Okay, so I watched my previous recordings. Wow, I sound different than I think I do, and wow, the screen is absolutely microscopic. But I'll learn how to fix that eventually. Half energy event on now, but not treasure fest, so that sucks. But basically what I wanted to do today, God, that voice crack. But what I wanted to do today was simply just this isn't going to be a long one like Realm of Suffering. Okay. Okay, we're doing gacha opening this time. Cool. But oh shit. Wow. Huh. I mean, I'll take the Uber for anti-alien freeze. Oh, that's good for Cats of the Cosmos. Oh, shit. I bet. Why did I get the two best Cats of the Cosmos sets going up at once? Alright, we go over here, go to Gamatoto. He's not zoned in anymore, unfortunately. But we will send him either way to the Kakara Marsh. I actually said that right that time. Good. Alright. Gonna have the clock up there. You know, I could just do Uber. Alright, but now, after that, getting to my point now. Basically, this time I wanted to do some Golden Tower. And let's see what this is. Ticket Hunter. We'll do that, maybe, as well. I was originally just gonna do, like 420 of that. And then we're gonna do, some SOL. Some Seapooter. That's gonna be for next part, I feel like. This is the only part I'm doing today, unlike yesterday where I did both of the previous videos. We're only doing one video today because I wasted too much time, and I gotta take a shower later. And by later, I mean like as soon as I'm done with this. So 200 energy, bro. Alright, do I have anti-traitless? Because I know this is going to be a very traitless heavy stage. Magica? Over row. Yes. Also, I think I've thought up a new thing for what do you want me to what do you want to show me? Troubled Youth strengthen effect up. Alright, I've kind of thought up a new strategy for Hanya. So next part we'll do that, and we'll do some other stuff. But for now, we're doing 420 of this. We are. Now, here is the main threat. Here he comes, moonwalking down at us. He's gonna be an annoying prick. He one-shots Courier. Come on, man. Do you need to one-shot all of my shit? And I'd also preferably want to one-shot him as well. Land your weaken. Land your weaken. Kill him. Yes. Kill a gato amigo. Kin, you have to kill a gato amigo. Now you're getting info-comboed by fucking Dancer. No. Please, just stall. Just stall. Just stalling until I can get Bahamut. But Bahamut is gonna help. He's gonna help. I don't know how much, but he's going to. Frame 1 cat cannon. Oh, it's like an Arost push. Ew. They attack so much. It's like fucking Arost, bro. It's like getting just absolutely worked by Arost. God damn, bro. They're sending like fucking rice ball and shit at me. Damn. Dude, they're sending me like the fucking awakening stage cats at me. Jeez. Alright, we gotta slow chip down this dancer. Oh, Hyper Mister's on his way, though. Yikes. This could get ugly. Just keep him at range, keep blasting him or run. Thank you, Hyper Mister, like, genuinely. Thanks for your knockback. This is the only time I'll actually thank an aggressive pusher for being as it's so oh, I'm dead. Maybe less dead than I thought. Hold on. No, Dancer's still able to hit my base from there. Why? Why is his range so long? Wait, I have continues. Hold on, chat. Hold the fucking phone. Holding it? Good. Alright. Rice Ball, die. Hyper Mister, die. I hate having to use like cat food constantly, but my ads are so cooked that I just refuse to show them on camera, even if like no one's seeing this. I haven't even told Mom about this shit yet. Only way this shit's getting found is like fucking Petite Tube. So Dancer's the boss, right? That's what we're doing here. I don't know, man. We're keeping him at range pretty well. Okay, we killed him. Can we kill this unicycle cat? Genuinely? Can we kill unicycle? Can we kill this stupid unicycle? Oh my god, and Urun is dead. I thought we were slowly chipping them down. They're slowly chipping us down. Oh, it goes both ways. The problem isn't even that I'm broke, which is the usual problem. I'm rich. The problem is, I don't have the pushing power on the field. And they do. They do. The only two, like, actual, like, threats, I feel like, are Unicycle and Dancer. They're the actual, like, big threats. Dancer just one-shots everything he hits. He's like Hanya. This is just Realm of Carnage all over again. But less bad. Less aggressive pushers. Kill stupid unicycle. Like, actually, I'm gonna fucking start hacker stacking at this point. Not even because I want to, just because it's gonna happen. Oh my god. Please tell me hacker's actually hitting Dancer. Please tell me these attacks are all, like, landing. I don't even think they are. Okay, we're killing... Oh, we killed Tricycle. Oh, we killed Unicycle. We killed Unicycle. Sweet. Now, kill Dancer. Kill that stupid Michael Jackson wannabe. Like, actually, kill him dead. His health was in, like, the 70% when I hit continue, right? So he can't be that high health right now. He has to be at least, like, in the 40%. I don't know, I'm not getting, like, too uber confident. Oh, Urun's actually gonna start hitting him now. Cool. I love it when Urun starts hitting him. I love it when I can get a Bahamut out. I hate it also when Gato Amigo fucking snipes him. The stupid fucking meat shield snipes him. Oh, we killed both Hyper Mister and... Oh, we killed both him and Rice Ball at the same time. That was so good. This battle's been going on for way too long, dude. Okay, we finally got a good knockback on him. Like a real one. This is so slow. By the way, what am I even thinking to do after 420? I'm not doing 421. Even though I know it's just Red Cyclone, so... Fuck, he's slowly chipping me down. The thing is, I can send out more of my heavy attackers, like Bahamuts, and my almost useless Bahamuts and my Uruns. And Dancer becomes just unreachable so fast. His mate shields are too good. Bro, I have way too many single target attackers. I need more motherfuckers with area attack. Yeah, I need, like, long-ranged area attackers. Help, Awakened Bahamut, help. I'm humbly requesting your aid. I literally have the Sniper Hacker duo. The iconic duo of Sniper and Hacker. And we're still barely just chipping through. We got another pair of them and an Run. Alright. Things are going okay. I'm gonna be real. We are slowly... I can see attacks hitting him. I can see hackers actually hitting. We need to get through these rice balls. The rice balls are a big problem right now. Because they're, like, actually doing proper meat shielding. Okay, we killed one. I would preferably like the other one dead too. Okay, there we go. Hyper Mister. I don't like him. He's meat shielding. I hate how, like, every enemy in this stage just acts as, like, a fucking meat shield for him. Please just die. You have to be going by, like, 25% intervals, right? So you have to be on your last, like, fourth of your health. You have to be in the last 25 now, Dancer, right? Right, that's how this works, right? Please be how that works. I'd prefer it so much if that was how that worked. Honestly. Urun's dead. Great. I'm glad there's not an Assassin Bear timer on this stage. I'd be fucking dead, bro. Dancer fucking two-shots Baham, which is, like, the worst thing, because he only ever hits fucking Hyper Mister, because Hyper Mister pushes so far ahead. This is the only thing that's getting hit. AK, this motherfucker has meat shields, and way too many, and one of them double axes, like, basically slept near. We'll do no plan A on this channel eventually to show you how bad Sleipnir can be. But for right now, I did not expect this stage to be this bad. Like, I expected it to be a bit challenging, but I didn't think, 15-minute stalemate. That was not what I was anticipating. Oh, we killed the Hyper Mister and the Rice Ball! Go, 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 go! Okay, please, everyone, hard push. Hard push. Kill the other Ice Ball! Fast! We hit him with fucking... Sniper was able to hit him. That's crazy. A Rice Ball dies now, right as Hyper Mister returns. How great. I love how the big three all just kind of come off cooldown at the same time. Oh, ooh. You're taking too many blows, Dancer. Yeah, I think you are. Yeah, the only reason why Rice Ball's dead that fast is because of Abraham. So thanks, dude. Thanks, Abraham. Okay, I think they're just slowly getting closer and closer to our base. I think that's just kind of the fact of the matter. They're just slowly... Okay, my mic was, very far up, so I don't even know if, any of what I just said, in the last, few minutes recorded. Jeez. Or at least I'm gonna be, deathly quiet. I'm gonna, very, low volume or, very quiet, but, I didn't even bring Rich Cat. That's a fun fact. I almost never have enough time in a stage to just get to, this point. Where I have, the wallet maxed, everything just kind of out, stacked hackers. Normally, fights don't go on this long. 420 is gonna have to be its own video, huh? This is gonna have to be its own video. This is taking so long. Why? Even my Realm of Carnage attempts, even my longest one where I made to 44%, even that didn't take this long. God, if that Bahamut was able to hit him. No, Gato Amigo blocked Can. Where are all of my cats? Why is it that the second he's exposed, I have, nothing out? Why? Why is just no units on the field? Why is he being able to push? Oh god, he's about to hit my fucking snipers. Good thing I'm getting new ones. New Deadeye. He's going to die eventually, right? Alright, got a run. Dancer has to die eventually, right? Right? Eventually he just has to, right? Run is literally hitting him. There's no way she isn't. He has to be sustaining damage. He is so sustaining damage right now. Bro, Courier hit him. I saw that. How much HP does this stupid Michael Jackson clone have? He's dead! He's dead! It actually happened. Holy shit. Holy fuck. Abraham might actually be able to come out and do shit. Because there's no insane batshit crazy dancer on the field anymore. Alright, push up, we win. Is this the first time I actually beat a challenging level on this channel? Is this the first time that I actually won a level like this on this channel? Because there's no more threats after Dancer. No. Shut up, Miss Sign. Like, genuinely, shut the fuck up. I get so scared every time I see Miss Sign, because, like, half of the levels, it's immediately followed up. But, oh, and that's 2 rare tickets. Let's see what happens. Should I go for Dark Heroes, or should I go for Elemental Pixies? Let's see what super rares are in each set. Okay, yeah. I like this cast of super rares. Tin Cat. I love me some NP. Alright. And boom. Mercat. I love me some XP. Alright, so that might be it. Genuinely. That genuinely might just be it for the day. Let's see if there's anything else I can get done quick. Let's Ticket Hunter. Beastly Roost. That sounds like Behemoth. Let's try it. It's deadly, but it's not that high energy. Let's just throw one attempt at the wall at this. Oh. Alien. Courier. Courier thinks, the fact that the Shabalian took 2 hits to die. Fuck off. Okay. Gotcha. Metal and Alien. So, Octo for the waves, first of all. Octo for the waves. You can come in over Fish for now. And let's get Castaway over you. And finally, let's get our critter, our star of the show. We'll see who the best critter is. And, oh, Nanaho. Just thought about it for 2 seconds and realized it was Nanaho. Yeah, honestly, let's beat this level now because I 100,000,000%. Oh, battle items. I 100,000,000% can. Max. I just need Rich Cat, honestly. XP up and Sniper. Let's do this. Right. Can. She's anti-alien. I found this out recently. I might have to move the clock there. Nanaho. Hey, bring out Nanaho. She's good at crits. She can crit good. She can crit. She can crit. She can crit, right? Right? What is this RNG? And it's out of her range the one time she does crit. Alright, Jurassic might be the better on God. Jurassic might be. And he closes the range too fast. He gets in there too fast. He's already in her blind spot. You have to land a crit when he's not in their fucking blind spot. It's clear. Oh my god. He gets into the blind spot too fast. I thought the recording died for a second. I realized I just moved the clock. My dumbass, of course. Alright, Nanaho, this is where you're gonna need to be clutch. Oh my god. Now that was clutch. Okay. Oh, too easy. Oh, too easy. And she's smacking the base. And it's dead. Alright. Cat food and a leadership. There we go. First time I've beaten one of those. Alright. Well, that's gonna do it for this episode of the Battle Cats. I'll see you next time. Probably tomorrow. Goodbye.